If there is a problem that's stopping Windows from working properly, this can be fixed by starting the refresh tool from the installation disk. Insert the disk in the computer and restart. Press the spacebar when the message "Press any key to boot from CD or DVD" appears. Adjust the language options if you need to, and then click on Next. Don't click on the Install Now button in the middle of the screen. Instead, click on the Repair Your Computer link at the bottom left of the window. Click on the middle option, Troubleshoot. Then select the top option, Refresh Your PC. Just as when you run Refresh from within Windows, a quick summary of the changes that are about to be made appears. Click on Next to proceed. Select the target operating system. There will probably be only one option at this point. Click on it and then click on Refresh. Windows will now repair itself. At the end, Windows will restart. Ignore the message to press a key to boot from the CD or DVD. The first time video will then play and the start screen will appear once Windows is ready. Select whether or not you want to enable sharing with other devices on your network and the refresh is finished.